Today, welcome again. We are going to take up a special request received on mental multiplication. Grandson has gone through the course, and episode 8, or I think 7, covers general multiplication. But still, he says he is not able to do the mental multiplication. So his problem is very genuine. Every one of us faces this problem unless we train our brain in a particular way. For doing mental mathematics, brain has to be trained to do work in a particular way. And that we have also discussed. Basically, the multiplication is nothing but small additions. We are going on adding numbers one by one, not at a time. So this process we discuss how to brain should add. It should add first hundreds, then tens, and then units. If we discipline the brain like this, we will not find any difficulty in doing multiplication. So let us take the example which we have already dealt in, I think, episode 8, where we multiplied 57 to 39. So 10th place is first 5 into 3, then cross 5 into 9 plus 7 into 3, and then finally 9 into 7 unit places. But the problem will be presented like this: 57 into 39. So we should train our brain that first take 10 places, 10th place is 5 into 3, multiply. So we get 15. Here, because the 10 places we have done, so 100 we have to multiply. So 1500, brain will take it as 1500. Then we will take cross. Cross is between 10th place and unit place. So outers will take 5 into 9 is 45. Because it is 10 then unit place, so we have to multiply 10. So 45 will be taken as 450. So brain will take 1500 plus 450, 1950. And then we have to add inner. Inner is again one place is unit, one place is 10. So 210. So 1950 is to be added with 210. Okay. So this is straightforward, give you 2160. The process I have explained how the brain is going to take it. First hundreds it will add, then tens, 2160. Then lastly, unit places, so no zero will be added, so 63. So we have to add 2160 plus 63, which brain will take it as 2100. It will take 2220 plus 3, 2223. So very simply, by training the brain, we can arrive at 2223 within few seconds. Now we take up the number 398 into 575, which we have already dealt in episode 8, I suppose. So it is written like this: 398 into 575, which I gaze at it for say few seconds. I am able to write directly the answer 228850. You can also do it. I will just reveal the trick. It's not very difficult. It's very easy. It's a question of training brain. So in this, what we do is, first step is we take 100 places multiplication, that is 3 into 5. That is our first step here. Okay. And we multiply by 10. So we take it as 150k. Then we take up 39 and 57. 39 and 57. Outer and then inner. So second step, we take 3 into 7k. So in 150, we add 171 plus 9 into 5, 45. So 171 plus 45, 216k we get. We could have added this also in the brain first. 21 plus 45, 66 plus 150, so 216 we could have arrived there. It's question of how do you train. I prefer this step by step. 150 to 21, 171 plus 45, 216k. Now in our third step, which is little more cumbersome, because third step we are multiplying center here, outer and then inner. So which is written here. Center is giving me 9 into 7, 63 plus 5 into 3 is outer, 63 plus 15 is 78, plus 8 into 5 is inner. So 40, 78 will posse 118 I get. So third step gives me 118, which I take it as 11.8K. Okay, so this I can take it as 11.8K. In my memory, I had put earlier 216K. This I should have mentioned earlier. This 216, whatever we arrived there after first two steps, is taken to the memory, repeat verbally if required 2-3 times, 216K, 216K, like that. So here in 216K, which has been pulled back from the memory, we add this 11.8. So we get 227.8K. Now in this, the whole portion, that is 227, again we take to memory. Repeat 2-3 times, 227K, 227K. Take it in one corner of the brain, which you are able to call back. And then 0.8 is taken as 800 for further step 4 and step 5. Step 4 is nothing but 98 into 75. Okay, that is 98 and 75 there. 98 and 75. Unit and 10 places. 98, 75. Outer, inner. So this gives me, but we multiply by 10 here. So it becomes 9 into 5, 450. 800 plus 450, that is 1250. Plus 7 into 8 into 10, 560. So 1800, 1250 plus 560, that is 1810. Then we come to the last step. That is simple. That is here unit 8 into 5, that is unit places. That is my last step, unit place. So 8 into 5, 40. So 1810 plus 40 gives me 1850. So in my brain I have got a figure of 1850. In K terms it is 1.850K. Now from my memory I pull back 227K plus 1.850. That gives me 228850. That is my answer. So it's so simple. Everybody can do it. It's a matter of practice. You have to go on doing it. Hope you like the trick, and I think you will start practicing it now. Instead of using calculator has got its own importance, but sometimes when we have to do without pen and paper, one can, but it trains the brain. That is more important. It develops new neurons and circuits in the brain. The brain becomes more alert. That is one biggest advantage. And the students, they tend to do the things using their brain instead of blindly multiplying even 2 by 2 using a calculator is equal to 4. Hope we'll meet again sometime. Thank you very much.